Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to change language in Avira. Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Avira. So this is very useful if you don't know, you speak a little bit of English and you know more about your own language. So this is very useful. So the first thing you need to do is open up your My Avira account. To open this up, just open up a browser, then type in my.avira.com, then enter. Once entering that, wait for it, and you'll be located to my Avira account. Once you're here, on the top right next to the profile name you have is a language. As you see, the language is English. When I click on that, you will be able to select your language here. Here are the available languages here: Espanol, Portuguese, Turkish, Dutch, Italian, and many more. So, want to change your language, just click on them. Tap Espanol. I'm clicking on Espanol. And just wait for it loading. And now it's Espanol. You see? Hola, KDV, EV. Now, let's click on Espanol and let's bring it back to English. And another way to change your language in Avira is by in its own app. So, I'm going to show you. We're going to open the Avira right here. And once you're here, click on Settings on the top right corner. After clicking on that, you'll be located to General, and here this will first appear Language and Appearance. Click on Language and click on the language that you want. For example, Espanol. And as you can see, everything become Espanol. Then click on back on English and it will become all English. So there, that's how you change your language in Avira. And a little bit of tip for you guys, you can also change your appearance. You can either choose the light or the dark appearance in your Avira. So yeah, I hope you guys like the video and hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.